Good day, hustlers. Welcome back to another training. Now, this right here is a quick overview of the OLSP Academy system dashboard. Now, starting from the top left, I just want you guys to pay attention to some important tabs, places that you're going to be visiting often, and it's going to be very valuable for you. So, starting out under dashboard, you have your commission section. So, first stop from there is your commissions. So, when you click on that, you should be taken to a page that looks like this. It'll show your total earnings at the top left. It'll give you a little notification over to the top right, letting you know about your withdrawals. So, please note, minimum balance for withdrawals is $50. Because of the volume of transactions, please have payment requests in by 5 p.m. UK time on a Friday. Now that's UK time. So if you're in the US and you're Eastern time, it's usually, I believe there's a 5-hour difference. So that would be 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. Eastern time. So keep that in mind. Payments will be paid the following week. Balances are available for withdrawal after 30 days. So keep that in mind. And then as you scroll through, you can see your commissions, your earnings. So whether you're earning with the mega link, getting commissions that way, or if you're making commissions by commenting using your comment pro, that's where you're going to see your commissions. Now, when you go up here again, looking at this section to the left, below your commissions, you're going to see commission generator. This tab right here will look like this. You just drop it down. First stop will be promote live events. Click on that section. You can watch this short video right here, which is 14 minutes and 24 seconds long. And it'll actually inform you as to how to use this section. But essentially, this is what you want to look at. It's going to show your commission level. Now, I'm a team builder, so depending on what level you are, it'll say your level right there. And this is the title. So for our next live training, the 2 types of email lists anyone can start that have made me 10 million USD. So that's from my mentor and the owner of this awesome system, Mr. Wayne Crow. And this is going to be a training where he teaches us how he made $10 million. So the 2 types of email lists, anyone can start. Now this is for you. Now that promotion end date be November 27th, 2023. So depending on when you're seeing this, it may be an archive training or it may be something that's no longer available. But if you're seeing it early, make sure you take advantage of it. Now this right here is my particular promotional link where I can share on social media, or I can actually use my Mega Builder account, have a lead page, and actually put this link there and promote the live training and collect the leads if I want to actually follow up with them after the training or send them additional information and add them to an additional email list. So that's what you have there. This actually gives the event description. So it says here, get ready for an electrifying live training. The 2 types of email lists anyone can start, where you'll unlock the secrets to building powerhouse email lists. Now, I won't read the rest of it. You guys can actually read the rest of this yourself if you join the OLSP Academy system. And when you scroll down a little bit more, there's a section here for your marketing materials. Now, you'll click on that if you need any helpful tips, any type of PDFs or any type of email materials. This is the section that you're going to go to and click on in order to get your content for your social media promotions or your email follow-ups. Now back to the section again. We left off at promote live events. Next section is promote evergreen offers. When we click in that section, you're going to see a video again. And I believe it may be the same video as in live events. Looks like it's the same timestamp, and I forget, but you're going to watch that video if it's a different one. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see this section again. It's going to say your commission level. Once again, I'm a team builder, and below it's going to have a few different links depending on what level you came in at. You might not have all of these links. Yours may look a little different. So these are all of the affiliate links that I have right here that I can actually just copy the link and share on social media or on a personal website that I create, or through, my team builders app, my team builder software itself. I can place this link in there, have my lead capture page, change that lead capture page up through different methods, split testing, and all those other fun things that we affiliate marketers, that we just love to do, and, promote this particular offer, the mega link, the biz op funnel, or the mega messenger, the monthly service on that, being able to message your contacts via your social media platforms and email all in one section. Then your list building and magic link promotional items, where it shows you how to actually build an email list and start earning the income within 48 hours. Then you have your mega link side hustle. So that's another separate offer that's a little bit different angle from the regular mega link biz op funnel. Then you have your mega builders monthly subscription, which provides you with additional services, apps, and tools. And alongside here in the next section, you'll notice that it'll say marketing materials. So these right here are individual links that'll take you to promotional pages that'll have, things that you can use, emails, pictures, things that you can add to your websites or landing pages or use for your social media to help promote these products and services. So this system is a complete system. Not only does it provides you a business opportunity, a way to earn income. It provides you with the training materials in order to promote your products and services. And it provides you with the training, the helpful information on how to go about it. So now back to the section over here. After that, you're going to go to your lead section. So when you click on that, you're going to see all of your leads. So for privacy information, I'm going to block out this over here, the email section, just to protect the privacy of individuals. And as you can see, it says at the top here, I have a total amount of leads of 230. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind, when it comes to making money online, the majority of people online do not make money online. Most people don't. And an even more staggering statistic is that the average person will never refer more than 2.5 people to a product or service. The half a person, statistics is statistics, but the majority of people will never refer more than 2.5 people to a product or service. And as you can see, I have a team of over 200 people, and it actually says leads of 230. So I think I'm doing well above the average. And I think that qualifies me as being a person that can at least show you how to create and build a list of leads. And partly how I learned how to do that was through the list building training that's provided through the OLSP Academy system. So of course you need to be a part of that in order to learn how to build the email list. So that's what you actually have access to in this system. So after you go to your leads, then if you want to decide to buy traffic, which is something that if you become, or once when you become more of an expert, you'll probably decide on whether you want to buy solo ads. Now, there's different places where you can buy solo ads from, but of course the best place would be to buy it within the system itself, because Mr. Wayne Crow, he's actually an expert in this field. He's been doing this for, I believe, over 10 or 15 plus years when it comes to the solo ad industry. So him being the person who's invested millions of dollars in, learning how to do solo ads, learning how to get target audiences that's going to convert to sales, he's the perfect person to actually purchase and buy traffic from. So once when you get here, you'll come to this page where there's a short video. It'll tell you about how you can actually purchase traffic. And if you want to click there, you can order traffic. And also, depending on what level you are within the system, you'll have access as an affiliate to actually earn a commission whenever you refer someone to purchase traffic. So this right here, you click this link, it'll automatically copy your affiliate link and you can share that on social media. So this is one of the many ways that you can actually earn an income from home with the OLSP system. So if you do that by itself, being a solo ads provider, you can earn a pretty good income. And seeing as though the conversion rates of this program here, of these solo ad purchases, what I've been able to experience has been between 30 and 60% conversion rates. And one of the added benefits, if you're part of the OLSP Academy, aside from buying the traffic for your own personal use and building your email list, when you take part in the magic link, when you're building a list and you are emailing people, you're able to earn an income every time someone clicks on a link. So when you think about that, it's a little bit different from you buying a solo ad and sending it to a product or service that you're probably promoting outside of OLSP, building a list for that, because you can send emails to them, and if they happen to click the link, and they might go to whatever product and service that you're promoting, and you won't get paid. But within the OLSP system, there's a way that you can actually make money even if they don't make a purchase of the product that you're promoting, and that's through the magic link. So that's one of the two distinctions that I would make between solo ads, making a purchase there, and instead of focusing on maybe the magic link aspect, which you're able to do the promotion and get an income every time someone clicks the link. So let's go back up to the dashboard section where everything all starts. So we've gone over this section right here over to the left. That should give you a pretty good understanding of where to find all of your helpful information in relations to these sections here. So with that, I'm going to end this video right now because I don't want this to be too long. And of course, as you know, I can be a little long-winded, but hopefully this information has been helpful for you guys. I'll see you in the next training. And if you haven't joined the OLSP Academy system, I want you guys to click the link in the description of this video. Reach out to me, send me a direct message if you're seeing this on social media. Click the link in the bio so that you can actually start the training and actually get access to some of the additional bonuses that I provide when you join this system, no matter at what level you decide to join. I want to show you guys how to go from becoming beginner affiliate marketers to intermediate to expert affiliate marketers, along with my great mentor, Mr. Wayne Crow. So I welcome you guys. I hope you enjoyed this training. I look forward to you earning your first or your next income with affiliate or digital marketing. Have a great rest of your day.